What's up, guys? So this is the next day, and this is how it looks. The bumper looks. You guys can see. Oh, looks meaner. But I have a problem because I cracked my bumper. But it's okay because we have some guy right here next to me. What's up, guy?
What's up, bro? Ready to fix this?
My bad. Alright, so we're gonna fix this, and what we're gonna do?
We're gonna fix that crack. You don't take this seriously, bro.
So go. Alright, go. What the? Alright, so this guy right here is gonna fix it.
Got it. Easy fix. We'll have this shit ready in like 30 minutes or less, hopefully. Because this heat sucks.
Alright, guys, so he's gonna try to fix it.
Try?
Or he's gonna fix it. My bad. Damn. So guys, this guy already masked that part. He grinded. He's about to put the fiberglass mat, and then he's gonna do all the process. So yeah, let's get back to it. guy's done already. How long do we have to wait, bro?
Like a few hours.
Are you sure?
I give it like 4 or 5 hours.
What the? You know what? I'm just gonna throw this to the trash. Who wants it?
$5.
Just give me 5. Just buy me a beer, you know? It'll be good.
Well, beer sounds good right now.
For real, huh?
Beer sounds good.
Alright. Well, we're gonna wait 4 to 5 hours, but I'm saying tomorrow after work, he's gonna come and put auto filler on the other side. So that's pretty much it for today. So the main reason why that bumper cracked was because this bumper is bent from this side. So I have like no clearance here, a little bit right here, but this side is good. So right here it's the they hit something, so that's just bent, and that's why it cracked down here. But some guy fixed it already, and right? Oh man. Well, you guys want to know his name? What's your name? You never told anybody here.
Name's Pancho.
What? I'm gonna link his Instagram down here, so if you guys want to follow him,
click down below. Miller92.
Maybe not. I'm not gonna put it. I'm just kidding. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. One thing I want to show you guys is the sunroof. Look at that. Which I already did, but there's another feature that I want to show you guys. Sick. So say I'm driving and I forget I get off and I turn off my key and I get off. This thing will close by itself, which you guys will see right now. Turn it, take off the key, and the key's right here. Bam. Isn't that nice? You can just get off, not even worry about it. Sitting on 22s. I'm probably gonna re-chrome these, so stay tuned for that video, or show you guys how they did a good job on it. What are you doing, dude?
What are you doing?
Just showing my sunroof, how it
sunroof's pretty sick.
How it closes by itself.
I'm jealous. My truck should go.
Oh, that's his truck. If you guys want to know what he's driving, lifted Silverado right there. Sitting on what? What are those rims?
35s, 17s. Method racing wheels.
Silverado gang.
Gang, fool.
Alright guys, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow on the auto filler. So, wow. This guy. What? You have a gun or what?
Hood.
Oh, he's in the hood. He's trying to shoot people with a drill. Alright guys, see you soon. See you later. And welcome to the next day. We have right here Bob's doing. What are you doing?
Sanding.
Tell people what you're doing, dude, because I don't want to, take the fame out of you.
What are you talking about? This is your channel. Just sanding the area that I repaired yesterday, so I can prep it for Bondo.
He's gonna
cover it up.
fondle it and cover that crack of his. So, let's get to it, guys. I'm gonna see if I help him out because I don't know shit about this type of stuff. Right? Do I know stuff about this? I'm gonna just delete the scene, dude. I'm gonna delete you. And you can see his Silverado over there. What the? Let's go quick on his Silverado.
Los benjamines empezaron a llegar. El tiro con Pachuy no se me raja. Vamos a hacer el intercambio para adelante. Cuando dos hombres armados nos tumbaron aquel jale, no hay pedo, aquí hay bastante. Pero aquí sigo chambeando, los billetes me están dando. Babacush estoy sembrando y las pacas estoy sacando. Carros nuevos manejando, cada año estoy comprando un Mercedes 5.
Looking good. And that's where the crack was, which it's sealed up. But anyways, just take a quick look at my truck.
El dinero los cambio, es lo que escucho yo. No saben cuánto he batallado para llegar donde llegaron. Y ahora quieren hablar que todo llegó fácil, que por eso estoy aquí. Yo les tapo el hocico con labor y por mis hechos así sobresalgo. Y ahora estoy en mí. Mientras sigan hablando, yo aquí sigo trabajando. mi mente bien positiva. Enemigos no me...
That's the finished installation of this truck. So we're gonna do much more. This guy's gonna help me out at times when he has time. If he wants to help me out.
I'm always down.
He says he's always down, but I don't know. I already tested his downness. So stay tuned for the next video, because I'm gonna switch which I already did tell you guys on the other video when I installed the headlights, but I'm gonna change the yellow ones to the switchbacks. So you already guys know. I'm gonna put the reverse bulbs as well, LEDs, and that's pretty much it. We're in a crew, so it's me and him only for now.
2-man crew.
Any guys want to join, let me know. Just Silverados, you know. I mean any trucks. Anyways, hope you guys like it. Stay tuned.